Got a lot done on my truck. Made some custom brackets. Here's one that I made for our glow plug relay, and I guess that might be a starter relay, or maybe they're both glow plug relays. I really don't know. But anyway, there's a couple things that I still need to plug in. I think that's just for the transmission. The wiring harness is completely done. I bought a brand new harness for the truck model, and we made it work for the E450 for the van. We made a special bracket to mount my adjustable fuel pressure regulator. And then we've made all of our lines there. Then I also added in a filter right before going to a little fuel box that I made down in there. I know you can't really see anything anymore because I got it all tucked in, but it turned out pretty good. So my brackets, my custom brackets are done to mount those things, kind of keep that all up tight. I made a custom bracket right here to mount my fuel lines to keep them snug, just like it's set up for factory, but these are my upgraded fuel lines. We do have an issue here. There is some damage on that fuel line right there, and it's causing, like the metal piece came out somehow, and it's causing a fuel leak. So what we're doing there is I'm just gonna go ahead and upgrade that fuel line to a 1/2-inch line up to here and then tee it back in. So I'm gonna make a line from the fuel pump right to the fuel feed line right there. This one is just our return for fuel, but I don't think that one's damaged. It looked like it was in good condition. I don't know how that happened. I just kind of noticed it was leaking. We were trying to get it together and stuff, and noticed it's a problem. The wiring harness is completely on there for the truck, and it's mounted. It's plugged into the chassis. There's a couple things that I need to plug in, like this is for the compressor here. And otherwise, it's coming together good.